Hello everyone, this is Dr. Swati, endodontist at Asian Dental. Most of the patients ask the question that, ma'am, whether a root canal will be painful? And my honest answer would be no. With modern techniques in dentistry used today, root canal can be performed painlessly and comfortably. So most of the patients who come to the clinic usually have what we call a hot tooth syndrome. So let us understand what this hot tooth is. In cases of severe decay and infection, the tooth nerve gets inflamed and it becomes more sensitive to light, pressure and cold stimulus. So the pain becomes unbearable and it does not settle down easily. And also in these cases, numbing the tooth takes longer rather than a normal tooth. So what can be done to make your treatment comfortable? First of all, we focus on anxiety control because if you are relaxed, you get the treatment done easily and more comfortably. So for this, a patient-doctor interaction which is smooth is essential. And in spite of this, sometimes you might feel uncomfortable. So you can feel free to ask your doubts and clarify it from the doctor. And there are various techniques which can be used to make your root canal treatment comfortable. So first is while administering the local anesthetic. While giving the anesthesia, we can cool the injection site and also apply a numbing gel so that you do not feel the sting of the injection. And in spite of this, some patients might feel pain. So in very sensitive patients, other techniques like computer controlled anesthesia and electronic dental anesthesia can be used, which are advanced techniques. So this is before the treatment begins. And there are techniques which can be used while performing the procedure. So while performing the procedure, we can use a technique called as intracanal cryotherapy, which involves rinsing of the root canal with a cold sterile solution so that it acts as a mini ice pack and soothes your nerve. And in spite of this, some patients still feel pain. So here we can use laser treatment. So laser can be used to eliminate the bacteria and reduce the inflammation so that your further treatment becomes painless and comfortable. So all of these techniques can be used to reduce your pain and make your treatment more comfortable. So the treatment which you are fearing is just because your tooth is infected and not from the treatment which is being performed. So stop fearing from getting a root canal treatment done. So please do come, book your appointment and get your treatment done painlessly and comfortably.